In previous class, we discussed about finding arithmetic mean by second method, deviation method. And in this class, we are going to discuss about the final method for finding mean, that is the step deviation method for third method. And the formula for arithmetic mean for in a step deviation method is arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar, and it is given by the formula a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. So here a is nothing but assumed mean, and mu I is nothing but deviation, that is given by the formula xi minus a by h, and xi is nothing but, as you know, that is the mid values class mark, and h is nothing but class size, and sigma fi is nothing but sum of frequency. This is the method, and this table denotes, indicates how to do the problem of arithmetic mean by step deviation method. And as usual, first of all, write down number of oranges in first column and the number of baskets, that is nothing but frequency. Note the readings in the second column: 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. By writing all that frequency, just add all the frequencies, that's nothing but sigma fi, and if you add all this so you are going to get 400 frequencies. Next column is the x class mark. Class mark already we discussed in the previous classes. Class mark is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 10 plus 14, 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is nothing but 12. And just see the class size. What is the class size for this class? Is nothing but the class size is 5. Just keep on increasing 5 values, that is 17, 22, 27, 32. Just keep on increasing values, and the highest frequency where is there? So highest frequency is here, and its class mark is nothing but assumed value. It is assumed value, and this is as usual xi minus a. Xi 12 minus 22, 12 minus 22 minus 10, 17 minus 22 minus 5, and you can see 22 minus 22 0, and you can keep on increasing since this is number line 5, 22, and class size is 5. By the formula a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h, a is nothing but 22 plus sigma fi mu I is nothing but here 25, and sum of the frequency is nothing but 400, and the class size is nothing but 5. Now cancellation part, that is 22 plus 25 ones, 25 16s, and there is no cancellation with 5 and 16, so 1 into 5 5, and by 16. So 22 plus 5 by 16. If you do calculation, that is a division with 16, and 0 15 is 0.3, 348 will come, and ones are 0.31 mostly, and this is nothing but 22.31. So this is the frequency, that is arithmetic mean by step deviation method. So in exercise 14.1 you have 10 problems, and you can do in each method 3 problems. So you can do first method 3 problems, second method 3, and third method 3 problems. And in next class we are going to discuss how to find mode. Okay children, thank you.